is Josie Roach, and he's gone for 2 warheads.
Damn it. Okay. 1, 2.
Stop being sour now.
So,
Now, that's Joel Turner. Now he's going to try to get 3. Two. 3. 3. Sweet. Okay, here we go. Oh, my eyes are watering. What the hell? Alright, that's gone.
what about these ones?
Are they sour?
Nah.
Chuck them in.
Over there.
Oh no, they're over there. Okay, go.
So 4.
4 now.
That's 2. 3. 4.
4. Good luck. Don't know how I'm gonna do on 5. Well, no, we're going to try to go for 5. Oh. I'm gonna run out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5.
Do I have to put them all in at once?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Let's do this.
Remember, dude, before, like, if you spit them out before, like, they're sour, and you're disqualified. Oh crap, I think I broke my tooth.
Really?
No.
Okay.
Just showing you.
Yeah, they're done.
Okay.
Alright. Now you gotta go for like 6 or 7.
Yeah, 6. Oh, shit.
Should be interesting.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Now, if I don't survive this, tell my dad he can have my Xbox.
How many you got? So 6, alright.
Yeah, there's 7 left.
Keeping it in?
Yeah.
This sour make you sick.
Yummy. Done.
Oh.
What? Ow! What happened?
I got my... that hurt.
Go.
Heaps.
So you need 7 now.
Oh, that's 7 there. Oh, it really hurt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Go.
Alright. Ready?
Oh, look at me.
Oh.
You sound like you're enjoying it. Don't vomit. No, don't vomit. If you need to vomit, you can spit it out. Don't vomit on me. Yeah.
It's starting to go.
Oh. Don't stop now.
And... yeah, I'm done. I can tore a nipple off. Joking.
Done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Now, I'm a bit of a... Oh, stop it.
Do have it.
Now what? Oh, shit. Record it. Yeah! Alright, I'll do that.
I'll try it twice. Ready?
There's 2 left. Well, so Joe 1.
Alright, ready?
Recording.
Wait, hold on.
Weed.